Before America became independent, there was actually no American coin at all. People used all sorts of things for money, like Spanish silver dollars, British pounds, Dutch coins, gold dust, silver bars, and sometimes just bartered goods for goods. Out of all these, silver was the most trusted, especially those Spanish pieces of 8. The Coinage Act of 1792 was a big deal. This law created the United States Mint and made gold and silver the legal money, with standard weights and purity. The very first mint was the Philadelphia Mint, started in 1792. The first metals used were gold, silver, and copper. Early silver coins included the flowing hair dollar, the draped bust dollar, the half dollar, the quarter, and the dime. For gold coins, there was the $5 half eagle and the $10 eagle. Back then, coins were made by melting metal in coal furnaces, pouring it into ingots, and then hammering those ingots by hand. Simple screw presses were used too. So, coins were often uneven, handmade, and the process was honestly slow. The gold rush in 1848, out in California, changed everything. The huge gold supply forced the creation of new mints, like San Francisco and Denver, and brought in advanced machinery. New gold coins came out too, like the $1 gold, $3 gold, and the famous $20 double eagle. During the industrial age, machines like steam-powered presses, rolling mills, and precision cutters, really changed the game in coin production. These innovations meant coins could now be made with exact weight, uniform thickness, and, honestly, much sharper designs than ever before. Chemicals played a crucial role in refining metals for coin making. For gold, refiners used nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, and something called aqua regia. The goal was to remove impurities and reach purities of 90%, 91.67%, or even as high as 99.99%. When it came to silver, nitric acid, sodium chloride, and chemicals for electrolysis were used to get that pure, shiny finish. To clean coin blanks before striking, sulfuric acid soap solutions and industrial detergents were the main chemicals used. This process removed grease and gave the blanks a nice shine. For preservation, anti-oxidation coatings, protective wax, and storage gases have been used, especially in the modern era, to keep coins looking their best for years to come. Step 1 is metal acquisition. Gold and silver can come from mines, recycled coins, or even government reserves. Next up is melting. This is done using machines like induction furnaces or gas furnaces. The temperature needs to be just right, about 1064 degrees Celsius for gold and 961 degrees Celsius for silver. Step 3 is alloy mixing. Pure gold or silver is actually too soft for coins, so they add other metals like copper or sometimes zinc. For example, a typical mix might be 90% silver and 10% copper. After that comes step 4, which is casting ingots. This is done using continuous casting machines or ingot molds. Step 5 is rolling. They use rolling mills to flatten the metal down to the exact thickness needed. Then comes step 6, blank cutting. Machines like blanking presses or punching machines cut out flat, round blanks, also known as planchets. And that's how the basic shape of a coin begins to take form. Step 7 is annealing, also known as heat treatment. Here the blanks pass through annealing furnaces. The main goal is to soften the metal and, prevent any cracks from forming later on. Next comes step 8, cleaning. This involves using acid baths and rinsing tanks to remove any residues or impurities left on the blanks. Step 9 is rim forming, which uses upsetting mills. This process creates those raised edges you see on coins. Then, step 10 is striking, or the actual coin press. Hydraulic presses and high-speed coin presses are used here, applying pressure of up to 200 tons. Each coin is struck once or sometimes even twice to get all the details just right. Some of the most famous coins from this era include the Morgan silver dollar, the Peace dollar, and the St. Gaudens gold double eagle. In 1933, there was a huge shift. The gold standard ended, and gold coins stopped being made for public use. From then on, gold became government-controlled, marking a major turning point in American coin history. Some of the most popular coins today include the American Gold Eagle, the American Silver Eagle, and the Gold Buffalo, which is a pure 24-karat coin. The Gold Buffalo is 99.99% pure gold, while the Silver Eagle is 99.9% pure silver. In today's world, the coin-making process relies on some pretty advanced machines. We're talking about CNC engraving machines, laser die cutting, robotic handling, and computer-controlled presses. These technologies, honestly, have really transformed how coins are produced. Quality control is, super important in modern coin production. Factories now use X-ray purity scanners, weight sensors, and optical defect detectors to make sure every coin meets the highest standards. So nowadays we use electro-refining chemicals, non-toxic cleaners, environment-safe acids, and waste neutralization chemicals. Strict environmental laws apply, making sure these processes are as safe as possible for both people and the planet. Micro-engraving, laser-etched details, edge lettering, and die security vaults. These are just some of the advanced security methods used to protect American coins from counterfeiting. Philadelphia, Denver, San Francisco, and West Point. Each of these mints has specialized machines designed for their unique coin production needs. Exact purity, a government guarantee, advanced metallurgy, and, over 200 years of experience. These are the reasons why American coins are trusted all around the world. America's gold and silver coin system has evolved from handmade coins to steam machines, then to industrial presses, and now to laser and robotic technology. Every coin made today is chemically pure, machine perfect, and deeply rooted in history.